Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the GeForce NOW error code 0xC2720022. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch a game through GeForce NOW, but the error prevents the game from starting. According to our research, this issue may be related to a temporary system glitch or server-side issues with GeForce NOW. The first thing you should try is closing everything and restarting your device. Once your device reboots, launch GeForce NOW and check if the error still comes. If restarting doesn't work, try changing your GeForce NOW server region. Go to GeForce NOW Settings, find the server selection option and switch to a different server. For example, some players fix the issue by switching from EU Northwest to EU Central, so try this and see if it helps. If you still see the error, it might be a system-side issue with GeForce NOW. You can check the GeForce NOW service status by visiting status.geforcenow.com. If the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing problems, you will have to wait until the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.